She reached out to KOMU 8 News today. Good evening, I'm Maddie Heidenreich.
And I'm Jim Rick. Thanks for joining us. She actually lived in the same unit, 707, that collapsed yesterday.
Today, University Village Apartments held a meeting with residents to address concerns after yesterday's incident. KOMU 8's William Joy was there and found out some of the residents aren't satisfied with the university's efforts. The university hired THH Incorporated to do structural inspections for all university buildings. Memorial services for Lieutenant Bruce Britt will be held at 10 a.m. on Thursday, February 27th at the Crossing Church. Lieutenant Britt was killed while working on the scene of the structure collapse yesterday. Lieutenant Britt was with the Columbia Fire Department since May 21, 1990. You can find more information about that on our website at KOMU.com. Believe it or not, new information today on the 1999 JonBenét Ramsey case. Really? The documents show a grand jury actually indicted JonBenét's parents for recklessly putting their daughter in a situation that threatened her safety. JonBenét's body was found in the basement of her Colorado home in December of 1999. Law enforcement has yet to make an arrest in the case. Some in mid-Missouri are trying to cool off these statistics. KOMU 8's Teek Julie Panko is live in Jefferson City to provide some helpful tips. To help fans stay hydrated, Memorial Stadium will have multiple cooling stations set up tomorrow. With game day temps up in the 90s, like Tori said, remember to wear light clothing and drink lots of water. Some progress on gun control legislation today. 2 senators announced a bipartisan deal expanding background checks to more gun buyers, but the fight isn't over. I made a long-distance call this week to outer space and talked to crew members on board the International Space Station. I encourage you to look up because right now, astronaut Mike Hopkins is orbiting Earth performing innovative research for NASA. But his desire to invent actually began on a family farm near Richland, Missouri.
Well, we hear you loud and clear. Welcome aboard, Columbia.
Dramatic view from the International Space Station.
That's Colonel Mike Hopkins alongside 2 more crew members on board the International Space Station.
I feel like it really is a double-edged sword. I'm so glad, Maddie knows a lot about weather as well, that we're not getting those spikes in daytime temperatures because that will keep down chances of anything severe going on and very spring-like. But nobody wants another week of 30.
No, it's going to be cold this week.
It'll be calm and cold, I guess.
Yep, that's right. Need a jacket.
Rosie, thanks.
Summer staples can be the season's most fashionable health hazards. Flip-flops, strappy sandals, wedges. There you go.
I don't have them on
Not
today.
good. And the pedicures to go with them make this a busy time of the year for podiatrists.
NBC's Brittany Glassner gets the summer feet 411.
They managed to pull everything off perfectly during the 30-minute show. You worked for Jon Bon Jovi, right?
I did. I did some backstage work with him.
I'm transitioning from the robots to the real rock stars.
Right.
So that's wild. Did you get to meet him and everything?
Well, he walked past me and I was just a little too starstruck, so I kind of waved and smiled a little bit.
Did you do this?
A little bit. Hi.
You know what? The same thing happens to me whenever I'm out and about. People are like, oh,
So starstruck.
looky there.
They
It's
can't even
Eric
speak.
Aldrich.
They just wave awkwardly, right?
Right. Or